Hi everyone! Today we are creating a simple decorative hanging design using mini pots. For this project, you will need wood candle cups. You'll also need flowers. You'll need greenery. You also need black paint, gold wire, and one wooden sign. You will also need some wood stain. I am using the color honey. We'll start off with staining our wooden sign. Next, take your wood candle cups and your black paint. For this project, we'll be using 4 of the wooden candle cups. You'll just go ahead and you'll apply your black paint on each of your cups. And for this, you will need around 2 coats of paint. So next we'll be working with the gold wire, and we'll be adding those onto the cups. Okay, so we'll take the black cups and the gold wire, and what you'll do is you'll just cut off a few strands of the gold wire, and we're going to take that and wrap that around the cup. You'll do this for all 4 of your cups. Okay, so once you've done that, you'll go ahead and take some hot glue, and we're going to go ahead and glue each of the cups onto our wooden board. So next we'll go ahead and we'll start cutting each of the flowers off of the stem. You'll also go ahead and take your greenery and you'll start cutting that off as well. Once you've done that, we're going to actually use some hot glue when we insert each of the flowers in the greenery on the inside of the cups. This way they're more secure. So you'll do that for each of the cups. You'll add in your flowers and your greenery, and that's it. Okay, so this part is completely optional. I'm actually going to add in some gold stickers onto my sign. If you have some, you can go ahead and do that as well. Okay, so for this, I'm just taking my gold stickers and I will actually use some hot glue when putting them onto my board. I tried it without the hot glue and that did not really stick well, so I went back and applied some hot glue. So our hanging decorative design is now complete. I hope that you have enjoyed this simple DIY project. If so, I'd love if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!